What up, peeps? Dan the Man here. Dan the DIY Man today. We're going to be testing some concentrates from a new company called VapElf. Now, VapElf is created by Health Cabin. It's their own line. And their concentrates, they're not one-shots. So, let's go ahead and get started here. They did send this to me for the purpose of this review. I did not pay for these. Alright, so what we got: creamy vanilla, caramel apple, Malaysia Strawberry. These have been steeping. Tested them at 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks. This is the 5th week, and when I test these, I'll know whether it needs that 5th week or not. Hold on 1 second here. I'll be testing these on the Smowant Sharon. Charon. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm pronouncing it. I'm also using the, what is this thing? I can't even remember. Oh, the Mad Hatter V2. It's actually the only velocity style deck that I have that's side airflow, and that's why I use it. What I did is, obviously you can see I mounted 2 stovetops on top there. I get my cotton. What I do is I save the ends of when I'm loading my art, when I'm putting together my RDA. I cut off the ends, I save them here so I can use them for this. Except for the part I licked. I'd throw that part out. Anywho, let's give it a go. Now for this one, I'm just going to show you how I load it. After that, I'll probably pause it because this is the 3rd time I've done this video and I can't seem to keep it under 15 minutes. So you gotta just start yapping and babbling about who knows what. So you can see that, I put it in there and then it's easy to take out, put a new piece in there. It works wonderfully. Alright, we're going to start off with the Malaysia Strawberry. Now, we've got silence here, and people want me to talk, to fill up dead air. But maybe I should. I couldn't tell you. Let's give it a go. Alright. Wow. This one does need that 5-week steep, believe it or not. Now, well, let me be clear. For me, it needs a 5-week steep. Now, the reason I say that is I can taste the spiciness. There's a spiciness to this, okay? Now, on the nose, I get strawberry straight up. Guys, I don't do the taste test with my knuckle because it's like first impressions. They're never right. Anywho, let's give it a go again. I've got strawberry. Or it'll be more of a fresh strawberry. I'm getting some green in it. Spiciness. Now, the spiciness is the stuff they put in here to make it tart. And for whatever reason, I'm the only one that I know that can taste it. If anybody else knows about it, leave a comment, let me know. So this is not a bad strawberry. I personally don't like strawberry vapes at all. So I won't be using this unless I want to add some juiciness. And this is juicy. It's got a nice juicy, spicy even strawberry upfront flavor. And it's got a real nice throat hit. Now, I'm just going to show you how I do it first time, and then I clear off whatever juice is on the coils. I change out that, put a new one in, start all over. Okay, here we go with caramel apple. On the nose, I get straight up apple. On the vape, I don't even know what I'm getting. I mixed all of these at 3%, okay? They're telling me to start at 5 to 15. I think this one needs to be lower. Okay, I added to it. So this should be 2%. It's still friggin' horrible. I'm not getting apple, and I'm not getting caramel. I'm getting a burnt sugar taste, which is supposed to be caramel. I'm going to add some more PG and VG to this and bring it down to 1%. Be right back. Okay, let's try it again. Still getting the apple. We're down to 1% now. Okay. Oh my god. So much friggin' better. Wow. Night and day. Now, I'm getting more caramel than I am apple on this, even though on the nose it's straight up apple. This is actually not a bad flavor. Amazing, because I was ready to write this one off. Yeah. It's not a bad caramel. Caramel apple. Recommended at 1%. Yeah. Excuse me. It's caramel up front and apple in the back. It's a nice little flavor. Not a bad flavor if you want to add some juiciness to a recipe. I wouldn't use this one as a single flavor vape. It does need some help, like more apple. If you wanted a caramel apple vape, I have a friend, Heatho72 on ELR that loves caramel apple, and I'll bet he'd like that. See if he wants it. All right. I left creamy vanilla for last because I'm kind of looking forward to it. It smells fabulous. Fabulous. Totally fabulous. I like the smell. Give it a vape. Wow. Man. I like it. Awesome. It's pretty creamy. I would say more creamy than vanilla, but you're still getting that hint of vanilla. Yeah. I like it. I get a nice creamy vanilla out of this. At 3%, I think it's perfect. Now, when it comes to vanilla, I've not tried holy vanilla yet, but people swear by it. Which company is that? DIY flavor something. OS DIY. Oh, I can't remember now. Vanilla Shisha Peeps. A good one. Or I'm sorry. Creamy vanilla is a good one, and I recommend it to put into your vanilla stash. I know a lot of people got lots of different vanillas. Not me. I've had a lot, but I've narrowed it down to just 2 or 3 that I use, and I just fill those up again and again. All right, my peeps, let's recap. Malaysia Strawberry, not bad, a bit spicy. I won't use it again, mostly because I can't stand strawberry. Let's see, the caramel apple, not bad. It's not a standalone. Not really. It needs some help. It would go great in any kind of mix you want to add a tiny bit of caramel and juiciness to. Creamy vanilla is great. I'm going to try it in some of my recipes where I use vanilla shisha and see how it goes after that. Oh, yeah. 5% is going to be pretty unlikely. 15%? No way. I mean, I don't know why they. From 5 to 15%? That's insane. It's a lot. The Malaysia Strawberry, 3% is perfect. You might even drop it down to 2. Caramel Apple, do not do 5%. I did this at 1%, and to me that's just right. Creamy Vanilla at 3%, beautiful. This is Dan the Man signing out, and we need a giant vape to say goodbye. I don't have a giant vape. I got a mouth and lung right now. Oh, wait, no, I got this. I got this. Peace.